could just turn back on to downwind here if you want. Remember to watch your altitude as you do.
Fox Traffic, Quincy Magic 70 Echo, we're about 5 miles north, we'll be entering left traffic for 10.
Alright, so we got to be below 108 before we can put flaps in. There you go.
Taking traffic Piper 41290 is left base for runway 7. Taken.
There you go. Alright, watch your altitude a little bit. We just appear a little bit low. There you go. A little bit closer to the runway, I think, than normal.
Aiken County Traffic Warrior.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
2 miles to the east. We'll be setting up dinner, left downwind, runway 7 full stop.
Alright.
Taking traffic Piper 41290 is turning final for runway 7. Taken. Oh, jeez.
Yep, so just don't bank too far, don't pitch too high. If we have to go around, all we got to do is just go around. Not the end of the world, right?
Right.
Alright, so once you're reestablished here, if you want to continue this landing, we can.
Okay.
I'd say right now you're really fast.
Traffic, check 150 kilo, 5 miles off, 28. I'll put the second notch of flaps in. Take this power back.
And Aiken County Traffic Warrior 7 kilo entering the left downwind, full stop, runway 7, Aiken.
There's ground effect. And light use of the brakes. And if we can't make Delta, then we'll make Charlie.
Piper 41290 is clear of runway 7. Taken.
Alright. I'll let you run through your after landing check. I opened this door to get a nice breeze in.
Yeah. Oops, carburetor. Would that be about halfway?
Yeah, right there is good.
A little bit of a jacked up approach.
Yeah, here, I'll let you start taxiing to runway 7.
Okay.
So what about that approach do you think made it, in your opinion, jacked up?
Little too fast, low altitude, and I think I turned too soon, and too soon of a base.
Alright, so too fast, too low, and you turn too soon, or Your base to final turn wasn't the best.
Yeah.
So,
turn final 7.
what can we do to fix that?
Maintain altitude, come in a little slower, and lengthen the approach for the from base to final, so I have more distance to cover before the runway.
Yeah, so here come again from downwind, absolutely right, maintain your altitude. If you maintain your altitude, then you can better control your speed, because if you're slowly descending like we were, then you're just building more speed. Afterwards, turning from downwind to base was good. I think you waited too long for your base to final turn. Remember, it's just a small little checkpoint like crosswind to downwind, right? You know, for crosswind, all we do, we turn, level the wings. Hey, look, there's a runway, keep on turning. Same thing for your base turn, right? So we're turning 90 degrees, level the wings. Hey, look, there's the runway, and then we continue our turnaround. You know, we might need to add an extra notch of flaps in that step, but it's really just there to kind of say, hey, my runway is still here. It's not disappearing. I can still turn towards it.
County traffic.
That's all it is.
Warrior 7 kilo, clear the active 7, Macon.
Yeah, we're not going to die if we do like the sporty's definition of a base to final turn.
Okay.
Which I think a lot of people have in their mindset of you have to be like 700 feet above the ground at this airspeed before you make your turn. It's not the end of the world.
All right.
So how did that takeoff feel?
The takeoff was, I could do a little better. I held it back a little too long till it stalled.
Yeah, I mean, hearing the stall horn is what you want to hear, because that means we're right on the cusp of that airplane taking off, right?
Okay, yeah.
So I think, in my opinion, the only thing that I have to criticize was you felt the nose wheel lift off and then you let the nose down and it kind of bounced off again before it peeled off. If you just held it back a little bit longer, we would have entered ground effect from there.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's retry that soft field takeoff.
Okay.
And we will also do a soft field landing. I'll close this door.
Aiken traffic, Piper 41290 is departing runway 7. Aiken.
Yep, so when you're ready and configured for a soft field takeoff, we can go. What about your mixture? There you go. Ready to go?
Aiken County ground, Warrior 7 kilo, crossing 119, Aiken.
Allendale traffic, Cherokee 3765 Whiskey.